y'all, what's up? So I'm here to do a quick little glue in takedown video. A lot of people wanted to see how to take out glue. A lot of people seem to think glue is like the devil, like you cannot put glue in your hair without it damaging your hair, but that is totally a myth. I know we probably all got those horrible nightmares from us being in middle school and just snatching our tracks out and being bald-headed. But that's the reason why, because you're not supposed to just snatch your glue ends out. You're not supposed to snatch out quick weaves. You're not supposed to snatch out anything from your hair, because obviously that is going to cause some rippage and some breakage of your natural hair. So I'm here to show you guys just how to properly take out glue in extensions or quick weaves. I do have a video already. I'll put that right here. I do have a video on how to properly take out a quick weave with the cap and everything, but obviously glue ins are a little different because you're putting that glue directly like onto your scalp and on your hair a little bit, so it is a little different, but there still is a proper way to take out glue in weave without damaging, ripping out your hair. I've had my glue in extensions for about 5 days now. Y'all saw that whole video. I got a lot of comments. I swear people be coming for me like people be coming for me in the comments, but especially on Instagram, like when I do quick weaves or whatever, people like come for me like, oh, you finna be bald headed, oh, she don't want her edges, or oh, this and that, like what is wrong with her, don't she know better to put glue? People just come for me, y'all. People are scared of this stuff, and this is the glue I use. A lot of people have questions about what glue I use. Just the regular Salon Pro 30-second super bond hair glue that you can find at any hair store or Sally Beauty Supply. So I'm just here to prove y'all wrong too. Like, girl, I still got a little bit of hair. Okay, my breakage did not come from glue or anything. My breakage, if y'all watched that video, came from, I think, what was a protein overload. Anyway, that's besides the point. This glue in is like 5 days old. It's still in good. Y'all can see it's still nice and strong. I could wear it for even longer if I wanted to, but it's just time to do a new hairstyle. I do have one track back here that's falling out because I have a 1-year-old. Okay, I have a 1-year-old that was like, girl, I know that's not your hair, and he pulled on it. Okay, see. Yeah, anyway, for the most part, everything is like still intact. I love me a glue and weave. It just, I feel like this is my natural hair. It's been looking so natural. It's been so easy to maintain. All I do at night is probably like braid it how I just had it, 2 big braids, or just put it in a ponytail, honestly. Put a scarf on, wake up, that's it. Sometimes in the morning, like if I had it in a ponytail and it's like a little bump in it, I'll just use my little hair straightener brush and go through it. Bam, boom, it gets everything back straight and popping, but not like silky straight. I just wore it kind of like blown out. Y'all know how it was, like that kinky straight texture. I just wore it just like that. I didn't curl it or anything. I didn't put any extra heat on it besides my little, you know, straightening brush, which is not a whole lot of heat. And other than that, I really just been rocking it straight. I know a lot of people requested to see it curled. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just been lazy. Okay, not really even lazy. I just been busy. I really haven't had time to curl it. So taking out a glue in is just really simple. All you do is target the glue with some conditioner. I like to use conditioner. You can use oil, you can use a leave-in spray to spray it, the glue, basically any type of conditioner of your choice. I honestly would recommend conditioner because it's just, it works the best and it gets that glue all clumped together and gets it out of your hair. With oil, it's kind of more messy. Oil will have that glue slipping and sliding all on your strands, rather than conditioner just getting it all together and getting it right on out, melting it, basically melting that glue out of your hair. So just use like a really cheap conditioner, because you are gonna need a lot of conditioner. So what I do is just keep like real cheap conditioners on hand to take out, you know, glue or whatever. You also need a little comb that look a little bit like this, basically kind of like a medium tooth comb, to first comb it all out to make sure you don't, you know, you're not ripping your hair out. And then you want to use a small tooth comb to basically get that glue out. And no worries, as long as you detangling correctly, as long as you combing this hair out from the ends to the root, you do not have to worry about pulling your hair out or nothing like that. Especially if you got your conditioner, girl, you're all set. This whole thing is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm about to go ahead and jump into it, and yeah, let's get this glue out.